Hello, good evening students. Today we are going to discuss that is calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide. Dear student, if you talk about calcium hydroxide, that is the CaOH whole twice. Okay, this is its formula, calcium hydroxide. This is also known as student, that is slacked lime, SLAKED. This is also known as slacked lime, right? Student, this is the base of the calcium. This is the important base of the calcium, and we have to study about the method of preparation and their chemical and physical properties. Okay, so this is the strong main base of the group 2 elements. And now let us have a look over methods of preparation. Okay, methods of preparation. Okay student, so how can you be able to prepare this student? That is a very easy method is there from quicklime. Okay, from quicklime. So from quicklime easily you can prepare the student. Quicklime is CaO. So what you will do in the quicklime, firstly you take that is CaO and you treat with the water molecule. So what it will give student, it will give that is calcium hydroxide. This is what is known as student slacked lime. Okay, so this is what is the important compound which you are going to prepare, that is from the slacked lime you are preparing the quicklime students. Now dear students, what you can do here for the preparation, that is from other things, one more method of preparation is there, that is what, from the calcium chloride also we can prepare the calcium from that is slacked lime from the calcium chloride. Okay, so let us have look over the second method. From second method is what there is student, from calcium chloride, from calcium chloride. Okay, so dear student, when you talk about the from calcium chloride, if you are treating the calcium chloride with the, okay student, with the sodium hydroxide. Okay, sodium hydroxide. So we are having CaCl2 and we are treating with the sodium hydroxide. This is what is known as caustic soda. This is the caustic soda, CaUSTIC. Take a 2 mole student, and here what you are going to do, you are removing that is salt. 2NaCl is removed. 2NaCl, it will be precipitate out, and what you will get is student, calcium hydroxide. That is what is, that is you are getting slacked lime. Okay, so there are two method of preparation are there. From the quicklime you are going to prepare, that is calcium hydroxide, or the from the calcium chloride and sodium hydroxide also you are getting, that is slacked lime you are getting student. Now the next point which is important, that is chemical properties we have to study student. Chemical properties, and that too some chemical properties are very important student, that you always have to keep in mind. The very major chemical properties is the first one, reaction with the chlorine. Okay, reaction with the chlorine. What it forms student is the reaction with the chlorine, it forms the bleaching powder. Okay, so that is here I am writing, that is reaction with chlorine. Okay, so if you treat with the chlorine student, that is calcium hydroxide. Okay, and you are treating with the chlorine, so what it will give student, it will give CaOCl2. Okay, this is what is known as student bleaching powder. This is known as what, bleaching powder. And also you have to keep in mind student, what is the oxidation number, sometime they ask student. Okay, here is the water molecule will be also getting released student. Here the what the in the bleaching powder, this is capable to give the nascent oxygen, that is why it is act as a bleaching agent. Now dear student, its oxidation state is like that, Ca is there, here will be that is Cl, and here will be that is OCl. If you see the oxidation number of these these all elements student, so it is the negative one. Okay, this is the oxygen is negative, so with reference to oxygen it is what is the chlorine will be the positive. Okay, and here is that is -2 is there, and if it is the calcium with calcium with respect to, it will acquire negative. So that is first calcium will be having that is first chlorine is having the -1 oxidation state, while the other chlorine is having the +1 oxidation state. Okay, that you have to keep in mind, student, that in the bleaching powder the oxidation state of chlorine is +1 and -1. Okay, why it is acting as a bleaching agent? Because it is capable to give what, student? That is nascent oxygen. That is why it is acting as a bleaching agent. Now, student, if you talk about the second point, that is we have to study, that is reaction with the carbon dioxide. Okay, so in the carbon dioxide it is reacting differently, student. If the limited carbon dioxide is there, then it will give the limestone, but if it is excess is there, it will give the calcium bicarbonate. If CO2 is in the limited amount, it will be the quicklime, that is limestone, and if the excess amount, it will be what, student? It will be the calcium hydrogen carbonate, or that is calcium bicarbonate. That you have to keep in mind, students. And if you are going to understand some other chemical properties, that is what we have to understand, student, reaction with HCl. So if it is reacting with the HCl, student, it will give, that is salt will form, student. If it is reacting with HCl, so it will give the salt, that we have to check out. Okay, so let us have a look, student. Reaction with HCl. So we are having, that is CaOH twice. Okay, and you are treating with the HCl, student. Okay, so it will give, that is, firstly it will give, that is CaCl2, right, student? So you take the 2 mole, and that is together it will, what it will give, student? Because it is base, nice student, it is base. So, and this is the acid. So what is neutralization reaction? It is forming the salt, plus it will give, that is 2 water molecule, student. So when it is reacting with the HCl, it will give the salt and water molecule. Okay, similarly if it is reacting with the it is reacting with the sulfate. Okay, here you see, that is H2SO4. So what it will give? It is going to give, student, it is going to give, that is CaSO4 dot, that is 2H2O molecule it is going to give. So that we have to keep in mind, that is what is the chemical reaction and what are the chemical product in this process, students. Okay, suppose, students, if other reaction, if you are going to study, this many reaction are there, student. In the case of the slag lime, there we have to understand, that is method of preparation, that already you understood, that is there are 2 method of preparation, that is the calcium chloride and sodium hydroxide, and the first method was there quicklime and water. And similarly what we did, that is chemical properties, it is reacting with the what, student? It is reacting with the acids and releasing, that is water, and salt is being formed. Okay, so we study also, that is the reaction with the chlorine, and it was forming, that is with the chlorine it is forming the bleaching powder, CaOCl2. Okay, in that we already seen, student, that is the oxidation state of both the chlorine are different. So this is all about the study of the what, student? That is the slagged lime. Thank you so much for watching, friends.